We'll guide you through how to make a custom shield in Minecraft Bedrock. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, we need to go and create a banner. To do that, you need 6 bits of wool and 1 stick. And also what we need is to go and make something called a loom, and that allows us to go and customize the banner. To do that, you need 2 bits of string and 2 planks. And also you need some dye. So I'm just going to go and get some yellow dye by going and grabbing some dandelions like so. Now come to a crafting table and go and place 6 bits of wool in the upper part of the crafting table with 1 stick in the bottom in the middle. That'll give yourself a banner. Then what you can do is go and create your dye. You can use whatever color you want. Now to create your loom, place 2 planks at the bottom and then go and put 2 bits of string above that to get a loom. In the loom, place in the banner and the dye. And on the left, you can go and choose the design you want. I'll choose this cross and go and grab it and put it back in, and then I'll go and choose this border like so and go and grab it. Now we've gone and got the banner. Now all you need is your shield. To craft that, it's 2 planks in the top left, 2 in the top right, and then 2 in the middle and at the bottom. And at the top, you need an iron ingot to get yourself a shield. Now coming to a crafting table and putting the shield and the banner, and as you can see, you can then put the banner onto the shield. And that's it, you've now gone and customized it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.